Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the downloaded movie and a subtitle file or source. You must match formats because MP4 versus MKV handles embedded tracks differently. That matters for compatibility. Once you have an SRT or AS file, open your preferred tool, VLC to test, subtitle edit to fix timings, or handbrake to embed. Make sure file names match or note the language code. This reduces mismatches later and speeds up the embedding step. Now you tune timing so the text matches speech. You load the movie and subtitle into an editor, inspect several spoken lines across the file to detect drift. If dialogue lags, change subtitle offset or retime segments, set the correct frame rate, 23, 976, 24, or 25, because mismatched FPS creates progressive desync. Once synced, optionally style with AS for fonts and positioning. Save a corrected SRT for simple embedding or export. AS when you need advanced formatting and burn-in control. Finally, choose embedding. Softmux in an MKV container preserves selectable subtitles, or burn-in with handbrake permanently renders text into video for universal playback. Use MKV tool Nix to add the SRT as a selectable track, set language and default flags, or use handbrake to encode with burned-in subtitles. Once done, test the file in VLC, MPV, and a phone player to confirm visibility and sync. If problems persist, recheck timestamp accuracy, ensure that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.